So example, what you can do is you can try. So in login.component.html that we already created in the last session, here in login component HTML, you can add some effects. For example, for text box effects, bootstrap classes, I will just copy this. I'll just copy this. That means these are the classes we have applied. Form control and button classes. These are bootstrap related classes. Now, one more regular thing is font awesome. Font awesome. It is actually library for CSS library. Actually, it is CSS library for symbols, icons. Font awesome, and it is very regularly used. You have to download this and keep it in your project. So how do you do that? Actually, we have separate font awesome. So font awesome is a separate repository. Earlier, we don't need this much. These days, font awesome is a regular library required for front-end developers, because earlier bootstrap itself have its own library. Bootstrap have its own library, right? Right. So this is font awesome. Yeah, this is the font awesome library. In this, we have to visit this font awesome. I will copy that. So first point, visit this website, and you have to download. So in this website, you will find start for free. So you click on start for free. Start for free. Okay. And here you can download. You can download the repository. You can see you have two options. Download, click on download, right? So what you have to do is click on download. When I click on download, so you can see when we click on download, it will get you the download option here. So we have two options. Let's see. So you can see in the download options, this is all the library for that. What you have to do is you need to just, on web, there is an option, download font awesome free for web. Download font awesome free for web. You have to select this option. So in that, download font awesome free for web. Free for desktop, free for web option will be there. Free for web. Then you will get a zip file. Once you download, you will get a zip file. Already I have the downloaded zip file. I will show you. You have to go to the downloads, and you will have the downloaded zip file for font awesome. So the font awesome, this is the downloaded zip file. Uncompress the file, you will find all these folders. So in Font Awesome, you will find all these folders. Now what you have to do is copy all these folders. You need to copy all these folders. So let's select and copy all those folders. Right. And after copying all these folders, you need to go to your project location, our project node modules location. Open in File Explorer. This is our project node modules. In the node modules, so we will create a separate folder. We will maintain a separate folder and called fonts. We will give the name fonts. And in the fonts, we will paste all those folders we have copied. That means next step, what you have to do is unzip the folder and copy all subfolders. Then go to your project, node modules, then create a new folder by name fonts, and paste all copied subfolders. That is the basic approach you have to follow. Now, actually, the library will be like this. You have fonts, means you have node modules, node underscore modules. In node modules, you will have fonts, and in the fonts, you will have CSS. In the CSS, you will have a file called all.css. So that means in the node modules fonts, all.css. You need to get that file. In the node modules, you will find fonts folder. And in the fonts folder, you will see CSS. In the CSS, you will find all.css. So this is the file. So everything will be in that particular location. Now what you need to do is you need to import this also into this CSS. So import and / node modules / fonts / CSS all.css. Actually, this is the special library for symbols. After including it, now let's go to the project. Here you can add those icons and symbols actually. For example, suppose we are designing a HTML page. Some icons and symbols. Suppose see here, this is login. And I am using a span. And here we have the word something like home. That means just roughly I'm giving. Later we will keep in a proper way. This is home. And here for the span, I'm using a class called FA. And FA I am defining as, suppose Font Awesome have a FA home like this. That is a Font Awesome symbols will come like this. And it has to get that home symbol and show you. You can see there is a home symbol for the button. These symbols and icons you usually get from Font Awesome.